All right, finally, after many weeks of all this garbage being on this table, and me coming here and trying to approach this project like 5 times, I finally made it working, which I'm very proud of. So the project is about this product that was, off-the-shelf product. This is the lights and the motion sensor. So it's supposed to be used in a cardboard situation where you open the door, you put your hand in, and then light turned on. I want to use it outside, well, semi-outside. I want it to be light dependent. I want that thing to work, like, motion sensor thing, only when it's dark. And so I researched and worked on this circuit, which is very simple circuit. I know, it's basically that thing. I know it's very simple circuit, but there was a reason why it took me a while to understand. Now I understand how it works. Anyway, so basically the thing is I modified this motion sensor a little bit. Well, I didn't modify, I just removed one of the pins that is responsible for power. And I connected that power pin to this circuit that has this LDR, which is light dependent resistor. So there is a light dependent resistor, there is a transistor here, and there is a variable resistor to change the threshold. And essentially those two things, this sensor now is getting power only when it's dark. And so if I block a light, this is the sensor. If I block the light, then this light will turn on. And well, in order to demonstrate it, let's just make it dark. It's dark, and now that thing is, I think there is somewhere connection. Connection is bad. All right, let's just keep it because, well, this is how it's supposed to work. It turns on, and then there is some time period, passes, and then it turns off. Well, automatically. You don't want it to be turned on whole night. And so, come on, it's flickering. I think there is some connections problem. But I hope demo will work. Demo gods will be on my side. Come on. Yep. All right, so it turned on. And now, imagine me moving across it. Whoop! And it turned on again. Yeah, and when it's daylight, bing! It's always turned off. It's always turned off, so it does not react on my movement. Only when it's dark. When it's light, when it's dark, light, dark. Anyway, that's it. Now I need to package this whole up, put it in the box, remove it from the breadboard, and I will have modified it.